Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to be a game changer for anyone dealing with sensitive skin. It's the Avène Cicalfate Restorative Protective Cream, and it might just be the comforting, skin-restoring product you've been searching for. Whether you're recovering from a harsh skincare treatment, have eczema, or just need something to soothe your skin, this cream aims to do it all, without irritation. Avene is a brand that's known for catering to sensitive skin, so it's no surprise that their Cicalfate Plus Restorative Protective Cream is marketed as a gentle yet effective solution. The formula is designed to support the skin's natural healing process, making it perfect for both adults and children, and safe enough for infants as well. It's a 100ml tube that's easy to carry around, especially if you're constantly on the go or traveling. Now, let's talk about how this product works. This protective cream is more than just a moisturizer. It's formulated to restore the skin barrier, which is crucial for keeping your skin hydrated and protected from environmental factors. The cream contains sucralfate, a powerful ingredient that promotes skin repair, while zinc sulfate helps reduce the risk of infection by keeping things clean and calm. When I first tried this product, I applied it after my usual evening skincare routine. The cream has a lightweight, non-greasy texture, which felt comfortable on my skin right away. It absorbs quickly and leaves a smooth, soft finish without any sticky residue. It's soothing immediately, which is especially nice if you're dealing with redness or irritation. In fact, I found it incredibly calming after using some active products that can sometimes be a bit too harsh on sensitive areas. I've also tested it on a couple of other sensitive spots, like around my nose after a cold, and noticed that the redness faded faster than when I used other creams. It's definitely gentle enough to be used on the most delicate parts of the face. Of course, like any product, it's not without its trade-offs. While it's effective at calming irritation, I personally didn't notice it doing much in terms of long-term hydration. If you're someone who loves deeply moisturizing creams that leave your skin feeling plump and hydrated for hours, this might not be the most hydrating option for you, especially in colder months. However, as a barrier repair cream, it does exactly what it promises. It protects and restores. Let's look at the pros and cons, starting with the good stuff. First, it's incredibly versatile, safe for infants, children, and adults, which is a big plus if you have a family with varying skin sensitivities. The formula is also free from parabens, which gives me peace of mind knowing it's gentle and non-irritating. Plus, it has a nice, subtle scent that isn't overpowering, something I always look for in products for sensitive skin. On the flip side, it's not the best option if you're looking for something ultra moisturizing or if you need a cream for more advanced anti-aging. While it does protect and heal the skin, I didn't feel that it provided a lot of deep moisture, which is a key consideration for those with dry skin or during colder weather. When it comes to value for money, Avène Cicalfate Plus is priced reasonably for a restorative cream, especially considering its versatility for all age groups and its ability to target sensitive, irritated skin. But if you're looking for something that deeply hydrates, there are alternatives out there that may suit your needs better. If you're working with a tighter budget, a good alternative might be CeraVe Healing Ointment, which also offers great protection for sensitive skin, though it's a bit thicker and greasier. In terms of build quality, the packaging is simple and practical. The tube is sturdy and easy to squeeze, ensuring that you can get every last bit of cream out without any mess. This is particularly useful if you're taking it on the go. I didn't notice any issues with longevity during my tests, and it doesn't seem to lose its effectiveness over time. That said, I do recommend using it within a reasonable time frame, as with all skincare products. Now, regarding customer support, I've had positive experiences with Avene in the past. They tend to be responsive and helpful if any issues arise, and I've heard good things from others who've reached out for guidance on product use. If you feel like this product is a bit of a splurge for your budget, there are alternatives, as mentioned earlier. Products like Eucerin Advanced Repair Cream or Vana Cream Moisturizing Cream are also great for sensitive skin and tend to offer similar results in terms of calming and healing, but at a more affordable price point. So to sum it up, if you're looking for a restorative protective cream to soothe and restore your skin's barrier, the Avène Cicalfate Plus might be just what you need. It's gentle, effective, and perfect for anyone dealing with irritated or sensitive skin. However, it may not be the best option for those seeking something that deeply hydrates or has anti-aging benefits. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching, and if you've tried the Avène Cicalfate Plus, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Do you think it lives up to its claims? I'd love to hear your experiences. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.